Welcome to my presentation. I am Dr. Savita Chaudhary, working as lecturer in costume design and dressmaking department, Minimata Government Girls Polytechnic, Rajnandgaon, Chhattisgarh, India. I am here to deliver e-presentation on an article published in International Journal of Science and Research. This article is published in collaboration with respected ma'am Dr. Shipra Banerjee, Assistant Professor of Government DP Girls PG College. Title of article is Vivi Cooperative Societies and Handloom Products in Rajnandgaon district of Chhattisgarh state. So let us start the presentation. Firstly, we came to know about abstract. As per title, a study conducted in Rajnandgaon district. Rajnandgaon situated in central part of Chhattisgarh state, and it is well known for their richness, exquisiteness, variety and fine quality of handlooms. The study follows descriptive research which mainly involves observation and survey method. It is revealed that various weaving cooperative societies and as handloom employ more and more workers, so it also works for the upliftment of weavers. Rajnandgaon consists of mainly 10 weaving cooperative societies. Among this, one of the weaving cooperative societies, Chui Khadan Bunkar Sahkari Samiti, is much popular and involves maximum members and employees, that is 450 members and 500 employees. Various handloom products are available like single and double bed sheet, pillow cover, shirting or kurta dress material, towel, curtain furnishing, carpet, dhoti or lungi, gamcha, etc. Different handloom are, products are there with different price range based on their quality and material used. Among all these handloom products, carpet is found to be of highest price range and gamcha is found to be of lowest price range. Now let's move on to introduction. Handloom weavers of Chhattisgarh preserve the ancient art and traditional heritage of Chhattisgarh and have glorified rich art and culture of the state at national and international level. Handlooms in Rajnandgaon are flourishing at a rapid pace, comprising various weaving cooperative societies and handloom products. In year 1999-2000, overall rupees 120 lakh of revenue has been generated. Weaving cooperative societies of Rajnandgaon involve mainly in production of varied handloom products like bedsheet, carpet, towel, sari and dress material. At present, Rajnandgaon consists of total 34 comprises of 2080 at looms and 6264 weavers. If we talk about position of Rajnandgaon in accordance with societies, number of active looms and number of weavers employed in Chhattisgarh state, then Rajnandgaon acquires third position. Then just talk about general characteristics of Rajnandgaon district. Rajnandgaon formed on 26 January 1973 and gets separated from Durg district. Again, Rajnandgaon divided on 1st July 1998 to form a new district called Kavardha. Original name of it covers an area of 8,222 square kilometers, surrounded by Kavardha Bastar district in south and Garchiroli, Bhandara and Balaghat in the west. Garchiroli and Bhandara belongs to Maharashtra and Balaghat belongs to Madhya Pradesh. Let us see district map of Rajnandgaon showing national highway, major road, railway, district boundary, state boundary, river, district headquarter, other town and major town. Rajnandgaon district comprises of 3 blocks, that is Mohalla, Manpur and Chowki. Now let us know about weaving cooperative societies. Weaving cooperative societies is actually an autonomous association of persons who voluntarily cooperate for benefit of handlooms, whether it is mutual, social, economic or cultural. They work for the progress of handlooms. Weaving cooperative societies serve many functions. They provide financial and technical assistance to weavers and contributes to rural development. They also improve economic of weavers by providing them infrastructural support. Weaving cooperative societies also provide raw material, equipment, and other facilities on the basis of production capacity and safeguard weavers from exploitation. They also provide training to weavers and update them according to latest trend, needs, and taste of market. Weaving cooperative societies established in different places of Rajnandgaon, that is Chui Khadan, Khairagarh, Dongargarh, Dongargaon, and Rajnandgaon. Here, popular weaving cooperative societies at different places were given, like Chui Khadan includes Chui Khadan Bunkar Sahakari Samiti and Kabir Bunkar Sahakari Samiti. Mahavir Bunkar Sahakari Samiti is much comprises of Lakshmi Bunkar Sahakari Samiti and Parmeshwari Mahila Bunkar Sahakari Samiti, while Buneshwari Bunkar Sahakari Samiti and Adarsh Bunkar Sahakari Samiti are weaving cooperative societies found in Dongargaon. Rajnandgaon itself established weaving cooperative societies, that is Ashanagar Bunkar Sahakari Samiti and Do Lagu Hatkarga Ikai. Now we came to know about handloom products. Most of the handloom products comprises of dress material and furnishings. Single and double bed sheet used to cover mattress of single and double bed. Chadar used to cover and protect body while sleeping. Kurta and shirting were most commonly used garment. Design towel and honeycomb towel used for wiping or drying. Curtains used to cover door and window, sometimes used for partition of room. Now materials and methodology. As we already know, a study conducted in Rajnandgaon district of Chhattisgarh state. Reason for area selection is growing at rapid pace in Rajnandgaon district and convenient location is another compelling reason. So Rajnandgaon area is selected for study. Regarding data collection, observation method and survey method were used societies with respect to number of members and employees to identify handloom products produced in Rajnandgaon handlooms and to know about price range of varied handloom products. Now results and discussions. So let's discuss about weaving cooperative societies in Rajnandgaon. Here it is clearly depicted that there are mainly 10 weaving cooperative societies in Rajnandgaon district. Among all this, Chui Khadan Bunkar Sahakari Samiti Chui Khadan comprises of maximum members and maximum employees, while Do Lagu Hatkarga and Kabir Bunkar Sahakari Samiti Pandaria Tehsil Chui Khadan have less number of employees as compared to other weaving cooperative societies. This graph represents number of weaving cooperative societies with number of members present and number of weavers employed. By this we can easily identify variation. First position regarding maximum number of employees and members, while Do Lagu Hatkarga Ikai Rajnandgaon with less number of members and Kabir Bunkar Sahakari Samiti in Rajnandgaon have less number of employees. Different handloom products available in different price range. By this table, identified that carpet is found to be more expensive and the price ranges from rupees 320 to rupees 1460, while suti gamcha is found to be of lowest price range, that is rupees 12 to rupees 40. Cost is determined on the basis of quality of handloom products. Conclusion: Chui Khadan is much popular among all weaving cooperative societies with maximum handloom products purely made of cotton available in different design, color and print with different price range. Price range of different handloom product varies from rupees 12 to rupees 1460. Carpet found to be of highest price range, while suti gamcha is found to be more affordable. Rajnandgaon wear towel, kurta or shirting cloth, curtain and carpet. Handloom products are eco-friendly so it does not have any bad impact on environment and it does not create any pollution. Rather it contributes to rural development, so definitely handloom products should be encouraged. Find full article on given link. Thank you